Today, I'm going to show you how to use textures in Photopea to make any design look awesome, plus a few tricks to get better results. So let's get into it. Alright, let's start with the most basic way to add a texture. You just go to File, Open and Place, choose your texture. So here is the texture that I added for this image. To apply it, just go to the blending options, choose the option that you need. For example, multiply, and here it is on the image. Now let me show you a different way to add textures also. I've imported these two textures to this image. I want to apply them both to it. Let me show you how they look. This is the first one, this is the second one. So the way you do it is right click on the texture and click the clipping mask. Second one also, right click, clipping mask. This way I can have two effects in the image. Also, if you want to change the texture color, for example the dripping color here, just double click on the texture color layer, click color overlay, choose the color that you want. See how it changes? Simple as that. Let's move on to this one. Now here I want to show you that you can add the texture to a certain part of the image. So for example, I added this circle and the text in it. So I want the texture to affect only the circle. So just bring the texture layer on top of the object layer itself. So now the text will not be affected, but only the circle will be affected. So let me turn it on, and then I will use the clipping mask to apply it only for this one. As you can see, the texture has been applied only inside the circle. You can see the difference with it and without it. And here it is with it. Last thing, let me show you this one. I've made this design and I uploaded 3 textures for this one. So let me show you the first one. Here is the first one. This one I used something else called hard mix, because the texture in this layer, it is too dark to apply. Here is the picture of it. So this one, if I do the multiply, it will just make everything dark. So test with different options, change the opacity, test with different things so you can get the best result that you want. Let me show you these two also. Here is another one. This one I used hard mix also, and here is the last one. This one is nice, I like it. So let me show you the difference. If you choose multiply, here it is how it looks like. And let me choose hard mix to show you how it's different. And here it is with hard mix. So if you are ever trying to design something and you are stuck somewhere and you don't know what to do or which option to choose, believe me, just start choosing random options. Just try testing with different things, different designs, different options, different blending options. Something will land and you will like it. Trust me, a lot of designers do that also. By the way, if you want to take your Photopea skills further, I put together a free guide. It's packed with tips, shortcuts, and highly recommended sites, and most of them are completely free. I also included direct links to every site in the guide so you can check them out easily. Just click the link in the description to grab the free guide. And thank you for watching. Have a good day.